So that's all my ND filters on the table. As you can see, I've changed and I've put ND filters on all my gear. That's including my DJI Air 2S, my Mini 3 Pro, my Canon EF 24-70mm, my GoPro 12, and my DJI VAR. So the reason why I have ND filter for all of them my gear is because sometimes I do shoot in very bright day, which means I need to put an ND filter on my camera, no matter which one, but I need to have one ND filter for any of my camera. So as you can see here, that's my DJI R2S. Sometimes I do take images using my drone in a bright day, including my DJI Mini 3 Pro. They're really handy to have them, so it's really important to have them. For my DJI Air 2S, I have the normal ones, came with my Air 2S when I've purchased it. With my Mini 3 Pro, I think I've purchased them and the filters separately. I can't remember how much it cost me, but I'm happy that I have them. With my DJI VAR, I had to purchase additional ND filters. I'll be honest, I still haven't used them ND filters on my DJI VAR. That's because I haven't flown this drone for a while, so obviously I didn't have a chance to shoot some videos using an ND filter. With my Canon lens, I would honestly say it was a good investment to have an ND filter because I can shoot long exposure pictures. Like I want to achieve some nice landscapes, images with kind of milky waterfalls or milky sky. So it's really important to have ND filters in your collection. And obviously I forgot to mention about GoPro, which I've purchased a big pack with ND filters for my GoPro 12, which I'm really happy, and I started to use them ND filters, and I really can see the difference between with no filters and with ND filters. And I can say, especially during the sunset, during the bright day, them ND filters, they do change the footages, the look of the footages. I can show you on some videos which I took with GoPro 12 using ND filters and GoPro 12 no ND filters. So when to use them, it's a good question. It totally depends on you. I would say them ND filters like sunglasses for camera. It's like yourself, when it's too sunny outside, you're gonna put sunglasses on. It's pretty much the same with ND filters on the camera. And it's also if you want to protect your glass as well, which is really good. Let's say you have an expensive lens, let's say this is an expensive lens, and having an ND filters makes some sense if I shoot long exposure. If not, I'm gonna use my polarized filter, which I have here. So that's pretty handy. This one is really good because it's magnetic, so I can just attach and that's it. And the filter you need to use, I would probably say between, let's have a look here, what I got here. So that's ND filter 4, ND filter 8. I would say between 8 and 4 you should be fine when it's kind of cloudy with a bit of sun. When it's really sunny, you should consider ND filter 16 with ND filter 32, which is really strong. If you really want to go more further, you can get, I think I had somewhere on the table, ND filter other one, ND filter 1000. And to put this ND filter on, it means you have a really bright day, or you want to focus on that nice sunset when shooting maybe a time lapse, or maybe you're driving and maybe you have this one on top of your helmet while driving a motorcycle. So that's handy to have if you living in a very sunny country, not like England. For England and the 1000, I don't think that will gonna work. But this pack between between ND filter 4, between ND filter 4 and 32 is just perfect. So as I said, it's really important to have some ND filters in your backpack so you can use them on very bright day. It's also important if, like, let's say you want to shoot some long exposure images with your lens. I think I've mentioned before, you can have an ND filter. I forgot which one was with for this lens. I don't think. Oh, so it's ND filter 1000, which is good. So that's ND filter 1000. That's because I can shoot some long exposure images and just to achieve them nice milky landscapes effect. That's pretty much why it's handy to have them. It's a good investment, to be honest, in my opinion. And if you want to have more control over your images, it's good to have ND filters. You also can achieve that blur effect using ND filters, and that's really important. And I think that's pretty much what I want to talk to you today. If you have any more further questions, ask me in the comments or just join maprochannel.com and we can talk about more on there. Also, do not forget to subscribe my channel, thumbs up. And again, any questions, ask in the comments. And yeah, I'll go and see you in the next video.